Hi and welcome to another episode of me in Vietnam. I'm now in Haiphong city or haiphong in Chinese. Hey, I'm now standing in this place. This one is called Hill Garden, if I pronounce it correctly. It's a very big park located right in the middle of the city, surrounded by those busy streets. Constant horn sound can be heard around. It's very unpleasant, unlike the Malaysia or in Europe where I've been last year. And I can see there is a hotel, well-known hotel, right behind me. Now it's 9:30 in the morning. It's not very cold though. Temperature is around 21 degrees Celsius. This is probably the most sophisticated roundabout I can find in the city. Someone is peeing next to me. Crossing the street is an art in Vietnam here. There is no traffic light whatsoever. And I have to look very carefully before going over because the traffic is not going to stop for you. They are slowing down, yes, they are slowing down, but they are not going to stop for you. Managed to find a shopping mall, Aeon Mall. It looks very big outside, but it's normal inside. And a shopping mall like this is considered luxury in Vietnam. I really want to try out the McDonald's here in Vietnam because I've been eating McDonald's in Malaysia, I've tried McDonald's in the Netherlands. Now it's time to try out McDonald's dine-in Vietnam. Fried chicken, burger, tasty fried chicken with sauce. Combo 2 pieces with Korean BBQ cheese and sauce. It's 3 o'clock now. After lunch, continue walking. I'm not very used to passing along these small alleys, but it's kind of fun. It's now 5:30 and the sky is dark. I've been walking from that place, the hotel, in the morning to the shopping mall at the south of the city and back to here again. And what I can say is Haiphong city is really big. From the Google map, I can say it is almost as same as the Amsterdam city, but the population here is more than 1 million people. Imagine 1 million people living in this city alone. Okay, and this city is a tier 2 city, but based on what I feel and what I see, it is more like a tier 3 city. Something similar like our Ipoh from the infrastructure and the development aspect, but just city is a bigger city. There are a few things I don't like about the city. Number one, totally not walking friendly. I can see all those vehicles, the cars and motorcycles parking beside the street, and I have to navigate myself along just to get into the way. This is very difficult for me to walk here. Number two, the city is very dirty. Number three, traffic management and horn sound, terrible. Number four, pet dog. Those owners really don't care about them. There have been 3 times the dog coming out and ambush me and really trying to bite me. There is really no control about this. Other than that, I cannot find any attracting places, any interesting places for me to visit, for me to see, other than this park. Apart from that, the climate here is very nice. 22 degrees, 23 degrees, really giving me the opportunities to explore the city. Haiphong City, another traveling experience in Vietnam. That's all for this video traveling the whole day in Vietnam. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again in the next episode.